So friends, this is paint management part 6 here. And last my previous video different IP address I'm showing in my printer and different IP showing with different options available in print management these systems here. So now I'm with this video print management part 6 showing you more different type IP address related settings and how using manual and automatically appear assign in for your printers. So must watch my all video part wise here. Either you cannot understand print management, how using print management, and how is a printer. So this is very important for you and different type print management and technologies available in printer and printer management and different systems here. So let's start and understand next settings. So you can add here and you have maybe color management profile you download from internet, but I have no anything this profile color, so I'm just showing here. And while using this color management, you color change your systems your okay. So this is a combined my setting with my system default. So combine means you are setting this automatically profile. You click maybe a profile set this showing two tap your seconds. You can see a combine my system and reset my setting. Reset is a one type of already default setting by your Windows operating system. Any your mistake by mistake your color change and you cannot changing your improvement and sometime problem here. So reset your automatically and your beginning time your settings available automatically. But combine my settings with system default means your settings and your system settings both system working with your system and changing you maybe your different your options and color management system. So that means you can you maybe not like and not system, so you can reset here, but I'm just like default this system. And load means you maybe you save your you save your first. So load option not directly using, first you save your communication this your anything your profile settings, so you first and that time using your load system. So you can see all profile here. Okay, click on all profile and this is all of profile by default your computer create operating system. You can see so WCS device profile here and WCS viewing condition profile here and different as you see in gaming anything you can see photography anything. So this is a 1970 W means this is a my display devices here, my monitor display here. You can see display showing here and GFS WOP standard means this is a my printer showing here. So this is my second and this is my SIE means your my display second display here. So you can see my color space profile here. So this is a control your profile through your color management system and color management technology. So first you can see how you can use this type of blue line and color letters and systems and everything. So can you see and so this is a profile working in background program here. So profile is one type of showing name but working background side and we created time color space type and device model name and PCs XYZ and you can see CMM and version and you can your version maybe your old type. So you can change your version by window update and publishing time here. You can see so IEC type systems here these making profile file here. So you can do window advanced systems here. You can see for different type. So device profile you can see first select your you maybe change. So first select your device system. So I'm select my my display setting, my display options here. So I want to change my display, so I'm just showing here. And second, viewing condition profile. So what do you want viewing systems configuration? So system default WCS all of system printing and display and other main system profile available in this system defaults options. For WCS profile and ICC profile, you may manually system select, so using this tab here. And ICC rendering intent WCS GMAT mapping, and that means the default rendering intent. So system default you can see default rendering intent, so showing here. Okay, so default means your default computer automatically you select your color management profile here. So profile select and after automatically background working and showing a different tab your color and the color adjustment systems here. So you can see first ICC rendering this GMAT mapping, so you can map your default and rendering intent. So system default is you can show your default printer color management system. So you want to first just check for your color management system. For you want, you like display new color management system, new technology system, so you can change here. So this is, you can see chart and graph, your photography, select here. So this is a default photo image working this profile here. So photo working with how many change and photography in the color management system. So you can use photo images you working, so these all of three in a color management help you for color and systems. So chart means and graphs means you create a graphics designer, you create your company charts and different tab, accounting system. So you can set here. And by default by default Windows operating system, these company always defined by default systems here. So you can change manually default. I like only because in this settings. So photography is photograph using and proofing and line art, so you create line art systems, line creating. So this is I like only photography system default. Additive color is line art, so this is a line art system working here. This is a simulation paper type, so paper condition. I'm just like only default system. I'm not changing anything. Business graphics charts and graphics for, so how you changing your system's color for here. So I like only graphics and maybe I cannot changing because I'm not working charts and graph directly, because I'm first check graph and photograph. At that time I would like change system photo image, so that time I will change these photo images and line art and different options available, so I can change and I can manage my system other working here. So you can see my background side pictures and how can you these systems. So first you want this is a why where this start system, so these images background work in my display system settings. So you can change your display calibration display settings here. So calibrate your system and your color settings and store your separately each user and change your with your share your printers and change your color management systems here. So this is a display calibration is very important from other computer. You change your is showing coming here by remote access and other communication systems here. So you can see your background side, these are always system working background work, but you want first understand how many these options are working, why working, and why using, how you using, and what is effect these options. So without this knowledge you cannot changing here. So this is a very important settings all of you can see my color management system of display here. So display not directly change here because effect you want restart here. So I don't like calibrate display. I will discuss in some video, but maybe I'm discussing these systems here. I change you can system default settings separate your your each computer is user here. Okay, so I'm click on here and you can see I'm already my default system, and you are already device color profile you are already download from your internet, and you are maybe your system working profile here, so you can save here and click on here first save my settings all of these my computer. So maybe in case my computer by default corrupt, and I will maybe install new operating system, so I'm load this profile file automatically settings my change here. So this is save my settings print settings here, and automatically file these saving in all of settings save in my systems here. So I'm just showing here. So this my file, you can see not simple file, not txt file, this is a programming main file here. So maybe in case my computer corrupt and I'm install new operating system, Windows 7 to XP anything, so this file automatically recover my system settings here. Okay, so not need again open my color management system and not configure again you not configure again systems options here. So you want first you can see txt, this is a simple file for using you enter your simple paragraph, your sentence, but this is a text document, not a programming document, and this is a programming document using for color management system, you can see. And next is print server. So what is a print server? Print server first need a printer server, so not directly we can using printer server, you can see first effects anything you can see here. So enhance, and you can see first print and different type put I'm already discussed in my my computer in color management system. Okay, so what is your color management, I'm again tell you. So color management can control a color and printer and devices color your systems. So what is the security? Security is the one type of most your printer your communication, who is a user using a security and who user use these computer and printer. Security is very important for your printer and your communication printer. So company always using security for printers. So everyone means all of computer using all of your printer. Everyone user is means every your your communication, every settings working with your every settings here. So everyone means your computer, your settings, anything you work in. So this is a separate user always create by default. So how many type different type user working, and how many type different type security available in printer and printer management, and how many type user access your printers. So some separate user create for access your printer, some legally access, and more security advice printer using these systems here. So that is a print management is a part 6 I will show you. So part 6 in I will show you in continue print management part 6 in different type, how many type give access and more security for a printer, and different type printer using different type department wise users. So thanks to watching my video, click on bell icon, click on subscribe, and click on different your share your friends. So thanks to watching my video, have a nice day.